So these are my knees. Both knees are inside. I think this is my right knee, this is my left knee. I'm not sure, I can go like this, doesn't make a difference, but these are my knees. Well, I love basketball. I've loved basketball since I was 8 years old. I played basketball 4 hours a day, sometimes 4 or 5 days a week. I've had arthritis for many, many years, since I was 26 years old. Arthritis is a very debilitating disease. After the first 2 or 3 weeks after surgery, you're starting to live your life again. And the ability to flex, I mean, I'm flexing, can I go down and up? I can jump now. I feel great. I feel like I'm 30 years old again. Conformis to me represents the custom-made suit. And I think this is a product that would revolutionize all joint replacement in the future. Basketball to me is a dream come true again since my bilateral knee replacement, especially with Conformis.